Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm going to be putting the car back together finally. Last video I did the header wrap, so I'm ready to put those back on the car. Waiting for a couple little pieces, some connectors to hook up my reverse lights on the trans and also the speed sensor. So once I get those in, I can hook that up and that little stuff will be done. But I need to get the headers back in the car, spark plugs in the car, starter back in the car, and then the actual exhaust pipes itself with the mufflers and stuff too. So I'm just going to start putting that stuff back together now and hopefully get this thing back on the road real soon.
This week's video is brought to you by SeatShafts.com, manufacturer of solid stainless steel seat motor drive shafts. Save money on costly seat repairs by replacing the weaker factory shaft with an upgraded, stronger one. Custom sizes available for all makes and models: BMW, Chevy, Dodge, GMC, Mazda, Mercedes, and many more. Visit the link in the description or go to SeatShafts.com.
So let's start off with the driver's side. I do got a new set of gaskets that I'm going to use. I just kind of cleaned off the surface. Since the gaskets were relatively new anyway, when I put these on, everything kind of came off in one piece. Alright, so I got this one done. As much as I like the look of the flaking paint, this looks so much better. Let's get the plug wires in. So this side is completely done. So now I'll move on to the passenger side. Alright, so I just finished up the passenger side. Looks nice. I'm going to show you what the shifter looked like inside the new tunnel. Now I'm going to put everything back. Before I actually screwed the center console down, I was able to plug all my switches in here and get them all hooked up because the wiring is pretty tight underneath there, but I have everything plugged in, so now I can kind of just get this in position and screw it down.
All right, so just a few more pieces of trim and then we'll get the seats in here. All right, so it's almost back to normal. I'm just waiting on those connector ends, so hopefully I'll have them this week. We'll finish that up, throw the exhaust back in it, and take this thing for a drive. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Thanks for watching.